My greetings to all. I'm Harshita Pareek of Class 12th from Amity International School, Vasundhara Sector 6, and I would like to share my experience with the Synchro Study program that I have been enrolled with since 2017, which is grade 7. And I can proudly say that it's been one of the best academic decisions ever. The Synchro Study program offers a lower student teacher ratio, making learning easier, faster, and more comfortable. The teachers for both the CBSE school curriculum and the Synchro faculty know each and every child and are able to pay close attention. The Synchro faculty has a group of exemplary teachers that have been in close association with institutions like Akash, FITZI, LN, and more, and they make sure to provide important tools and tricks for competitive examinations. For example, clubbing the similar topics of classes 11th and 12th to make it easier for us to remember, and giving us well prepared formula sheets, providing us with techniques to make good and effective notes, and scheduling weekly doubt clearing sessions and regular test series with moderate to high difficulty level for the best results. In addition to such great mentors, we have our coordinators who help us resolve our queries about the program and schedule the classes as per our needs and convenience. They also keep us updated about the dates of upcoming tests, webinars, etc. And the webinars conducted are under the supreme guidance of our Honorable Chairperson Ma'am and Director Ma'am, who provide us with impactful insights about the competition and never fail to motivate us to do our level best. And not long ago, a webinar was conducted on separate dates for JEE and NEET aspirants, and the subject experts prepared presentations analyzing the marks distributions, important and scoring topics, and how to prepare for each of them. Now, let me come to the best part of this program. Synchro study is school integrated, which means students can easily avail the coaching and mentorship that they need within the school hours, giving them plenty of time for self study. The teachers are always available to solve the doubts, and individual extra classes can be easily scheduled as per our needs. And as a student, I couldn't have asked for more. And I'm grateful to our chairperson and director, ma'am, for this initiative.